What's going on, everybody? Alright, I just got off from work. As you can see, I'm still at the job. I got a little bit of time to sit before Zoe gets off of work. Literally, she works right across the street. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull my car into the shop where I work at right here, and I'm gonna use the jack to basically get my camber plates right. So I'm done with work and everything, and I was actually got to make me something to eat. I was like, hey, I might as well go ahead and pull the car in and jack this bad baby up and fix my camber plates before I guess I forget. I mean, I just haven't had time to do them, so got a little time to kill, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up over there, drive it in, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you guys basically me adjusting my camber plates. Not gonna be able to get it like perfect, but I'm gonna be able to get it better than what it is right now, because I think I'm positive camber right now instead of negative. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive it in, pull it in, and then yeah, I'll show you guys what we're working with. Alright, so I got the car pulled into the shop. What do I need to do? I need to pop the hood. That's what I need to do, pop the hood. I got my Allen key. I had it in the car with me already. But I popped the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and get this Daytona. We got this huge Daytona jack. Look at this thing. Look at that Daytona. That Daytona finna get me right. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up. I guess guess we'll go ahead and do the passenger side first, since I'm already on this side. And this is 100% not a low profile jack, and it's fitting under there like perfect. When I mean perfect, I mean perfect. Alright, got this side up, and the tire is actually off the ground, so now I can go ahead and get under the hood and adjust them camber plates. Got my hood popped. I'm just gonna unloosen my 4 bolts around the dampener, and then we should be able to, I don't know if I want to just go all the way. Oh, that thing is tight. I don't know if I want to make it go all the way positive or what, all the way negative or what. So I need to figure out how I want to do this, but yeah, basically I just got to undo those, and then the top of the tire should start tilting. Alright, so basically I just put the screws all the way to the wall, and I know you can take out this screw and slide it over and make it even more camber, but I'm just gonna max out where they came from factory, and let's just see basically what we looking like after that. Hopefully we got more tilt in the front, because we didn't have no tilt in the front before. So let's see what we got. And as you can see, we have a little bit. When I mean a little bit, it's a little bit. And the car isn't completely aired out either, so we might have a little bit more that we can go. As of right now, I think we are looking really good so far. We aren't positive, but We ain't necessarily crazy negative either. All right, let's get this other side done. All right, so got it all done. Hopefully we got a little bit more tilt in the front. I'm about to go ahead and air out the car so we can see what she's looking like. Yeah, so now the front's looking a lot better than it did. It don't look like I'm sitting on flat paper plates in the front. I actually got a little bit of camber in the front, and I just need to, I don't know, I might actually go a little bit more in the front. I'm not too sure. I can go a little bit more. I just have to take those bolts out and move them. And then I can slide the camber plate a little bit more inside, but I kind of want to match the back. And I think the back right now is probably sitting at maybe 1 or 2 more degrees more than the front, but she's looking a lot better right now. So I'm okay with that, as long as they aren't not the same, which they was not the same before I just did this today. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make me some Velveeta, mac and cheese, eat this Uncrustable, and I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here for work. So hope you guys did enjoy this. I'm not sure if this is gonna be in its own video or will I be having this at the start of another video or what, but yeah, I finally got around to adjusting those camber plates, and I feel like I want more camber in the front, but we'll see. Anyways, let me go ahead and warm up my food, and yeah, so I can go ahead and eat. Your boy is hungry.